Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to show you our best in flow water valve. This convenient on-off valve is lever operated to give you on-off functionality when you're using your hose. You can use it by itself for an open hose type function or pair it with your favorite water hose nozzle. Here we have our finest hose nozzle, which can also be purchased in a kit with the best in flow valve and the quick disconnects at the bottom here. And this will prevent you from having to readjust your hose nozzle every time you turn your water on or off. So I can pick my stream, simply let go of the lever to turn it off, and then when I need the water again, I don't have to do any readjustment. So there's a lot less fumbling with your hose nozzle, which is great. It also features a clasp here so that you can lock the lever on and you don't have to constantly squeeze it. So now I'll show you the flow control feature. Really cool and easy to use. You have your flow control knob here on the side. So I like to turn the flow control all the way down for doing things like filling up a wash bucket while I grab the rest of my wash accessories, or precisely rinsing out door jams so you don't get the whole interior wet. So we couldn't find a volunteer car for the video shoot today, but we do have Stevie. So starting with the low flow control, got the nozzle turned down here. I'll show you how you can conveniently accurately rinse out your door jams or fill up your wash bucket while you grab the rest of your hose and wash accessories. Now we'll turn it up to the maximum flow control, and you can really get the rinse pressure going to quickly and effectively rinse off your vehicle. For more information on the best in flow water valve, visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage. We're putting up new videos all the time, tutorials, product videos, and even some short films. Don't miss any of it. Hit the subscribe button over here, and also be sure to keep up with us on Instagram at Griot's Garage.